If you're seeing Facebook error code 404, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right away to get Facebook loading properly again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it can be solved in just a couple of minutes with a few basic browser and connection checks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's start with the easiest step. Refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes a 404 error is just a temporary loading problem, and a quick refresh is all it takes to reconnect to the page correctly. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is opening Facebook in Incognito Mode. This is a really useful step because it helps you bypass stored cookies, cached files, and browser settings that may be causing the issue. In Chrome, for example, you can open a new incognito window from the menu, then go to Facebook and check if the error still appears. If Facebook works in incognito, that usually tells you the issue is related to your browser data or an extension. Now let's move on to clearing your browsing data. Over time, your browser stores cache, cookies, and temporary files that can sometimes interfere with websites like Facebook. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear your browsing data. Make sure to remove cached images and files and cookies if needed. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook to see if the problem is fixed. Another important step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can prevent Facebook from loading pages correctly and may trigger an error code 404. Try turning off your extensions one by one, or disable them all temporarily, then reload Facebook and test again. If the site starts working, you'll know one of the extensions was causing the conflict. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes make Facebook fail to load certain pages properly. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is working. If needed, restart your Wi-Fi router, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reconnect your network. Once your connection is stable, try Facebook again. If you've gone through these steps and the error still shows up, repeat the process in a different browser to see whether the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes switching from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or another browser can help you confirm where the problem is coming from. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Facebook error code 404 are refreshing the page, trying incognito mode, clearing browsing data, disabling browser extensions, and checking your internet connection. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.